What is up, guys? I've just got one not final update, but an update on Bad Game, or as it's called 2D Walk in my thing, because it was what I was working on for the most part. Collision was a little funky, as you saw in the previous video, and in my attempt to fix that, stuff got even weirder, believe it or not. So I was able to fix the left and right collision when walking into a tile, but that created a strange case where if you were on the top of the tile, and you were to the top right of the tile, you would fall through the tile. And that code is visible here. This is what I started out with, but it didn't work at all. Oh, well, it did work, except for the strange case that I added. So both of these parts needed an equal statement to work. So this would fix a single case, so the left tile would work just fine. In fact, I've even got an example of it right here. So you notice that the left tile works just fine because I have that equality operator, but if I jump on the right tile, I fall through it. But if I were to move this equality symbol over here, it would then work for this tile, but then it would break for this tile. So then it created the edge case of the equality. So I attempted to fix that by doing this, which kind of worked, or at least it worked for the edges, but then in the middle you could fall through. So that didn't work at all. In fact, this is the stranger case that I was talking about. So notice how the edge is working correctly, but notice that if I'm in the middle, I fall. And the same is for the other tile. I'll just fall through. So, a few questions later, or not a few questions, but a day and a half later, I finally scrapped this entire function and rewrote it. Now the sprite uses 4 collision points, which are here. And you can see it working in here. So you'll notice that he no longer falls through the tile at any case. And he cannot go through the tile left or right either. So that fixed that. So that's what I've been working on. Yeah, it took me a crazy amount of time to figure out that that was not going to work, but you know, what's done is done. So that's all I have to report.